Did you know 92% of nurses mispronounce osteoporosis in clinics? Let's fix this bone-breaking error. Osteoporosis, 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 osteoporosis. Repeat after me, Oss-teo-puh-RO-sis, not Osteoporosis. 5 syllables. Oss-teo-puh-RO-sis. Let's start slow breakdown. Oss, like office, without the face, T-O, T, plus O, silent E, puh, RO-sis. Stress the N-R-O, like row. Example, in a radiology report, the patient has severe osteoporosis, Oss-teo-puh-RO-sis, with T-score negative 3.2. Let's start pronounce again. Osteoporosis, 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 osteoporosis. Comment bone if you'll never say porosis again. Next up, why osteoarthritis is even trickier.